You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
We haven't heard many rumors about the Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL's follow-up, nor too many Pixel 5 leaks or rumors on potential features, camera capabilities and specs, which is curious because at this point in the lead-up to a big phone launch, we'd have expected loads. It's unclear how Google might respond, but one theory suggests that the Pixel 5 might not try to match the processing power of the best phones that Samsung and Apple have to offer. Google Pixel 5 release date. Google has been remarkably consistent with when it rolls out its new Pixel flagships. The Pixel 4 debuted at an October 15 event last year, before shipping 9 days later. That was a week later than the announcement and launch of the Pixel 3 in 2018. So we'd look at early to mid-October for the Google Pixel 5 release. Google's rolling out a phone on August 3, but it won't be the Pixel 5. Instead, it looks like the budget-priced Pixel 4 will make its long-awaited debut at that time. Google Pixel 5 price. The Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL started at $799 and $899, respectively, which were the same prices that the Pixel 3 debuted at. The Galaxy S20, for example, starts at $999, $100 more than the Galaxy S10's debut price, while Samsung cut the cost of last year's S10 models by $150. While it wouldn't be shocking to see the Google Pixel 5's price climb toward that $999 starting point that the Galaxy S20 and iPhone 11 Pro have both reached, Google would have to make the new phone a much more substantive upgrade to justify the hike. Google Pixel 5 design. Renders posted by David Kowalski at XLEAKS7 via Pig2 show very thin bezels on the Pixel 5, suggesting that Google is getting rid of face unlocking and motion gesture features. These Pixel 5 renders are reportedly based on leaked schematics, giving them a bit of heft. As for the Pixel 5 XL, there's a render of the larger Google phone courtesy of casemaker Pig2, but it claims the Pixel 5 XL will have a 6.1-inch screen. That's actually smaller than the Pixel 4 XL. Google Pixel 5 display. Samsung made the jump to 120Hz across the board with the Galaxy S20 line. It's possible that Google will stick to 90Hz for another year with the Pixel 5. That refresh rate is still an improvement over the 60Hz rate that's common to most top phones, while not putting as big a strain on the battery as 120Hz does. For what it's worth, the person posting rumored images of the Pixel 5 to /Liax says that the 90Hz refresh rate will be back for the Pixel 5. Google Pixel 5 cameras. The CAD render of the Pixel 5 that's been the source of so much speculation over Google's upcoming phone shows off 3 lenses on the back of the phone. Presumably, that's a wide-angle camera joining the standard and telephoto lens already found on Google's phones. Beyond the basic focal lengths, there are no rumors yet on the precise specifications for any of the lenses. Google Pixel 5 specs. Earlier this spring, Qualcomm touted more than a dozen phones that feature the Snapdragon 865. The Google Pixel 5 wasn't included, but don't panic, Qualcomm's list only features phones that have already been announced. Pixel 5, which suggests that phone will ship with a Snapdragon 765G system on chip. The Snapdragon 765 is a mid-range processor, unlike the high-end Snapdragon 865 found in phones like Samsung's new Galaxy S20 models. We have no specific details leaked yet, but the hope would be that Google at least raises this to 8GB with the Pixel 5, as we see competitors like Samsung move to 12GB as the baseline for its high-end flagships. Google Pixel 5 5G. No matter which processor powers the Pixel 5, you can expect 5G connectivity. The Snapdragon 865 doesn't come with an integrated 5G modem, but Qualcomm requires phone makers to include its X55 5G modem with the chipset. Google Pixel 5 battery. There are no rumors regarding the size of the battery in the Google Pixel 5 yet, but it will be one of the most sought-after details. The Pixel 5 could add another welcome power management feature if data found by XDA developers in an Android 11 developer preview is accurate. That leak claims that the Pixel 5 will support reverse wireless charging. Google Pixel 5 software and special features. Here's the safest bet you can make about the next Pixel. It will be the first new phone to ship with the next version of Android. Android 11 is now available as a public beta, and we'd bet the house on that version coming to the Google Pixel 5. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.